Hello everyone. Hey Beauty Connoisseurs. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you are new here. And if you are new here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and also click on the notification bell so that you will always know when we upload a new video. So today I'm excited about this unit that I have because I think it's a Valentino dupe, and this is Valentino that I'm wearing. I did a review on it and I'll leave the information card for it right here. So today I have Bobbi Boss, and I haven't done Bobbi Boss in a while, but her name is Yulia or Yulia. It's spelled like Julia with a Y. And I have it in the color TT2F Golden Blonde. That's how the stock card looks, and she's parted down the middle, and that's how she looks in the back. And she really does look like she could be a Valentino dupe, but only better because she has lace all the way across, and that's the parting space. It's a middle part. And you have your two combs at the side and the one comb in the back. So let me cut the lace and I'll be right back. Okay, here's Yulia or Yulia on my head straight out of the pack. And as soon as I put it on my head, I was like, yes, this is a better version of Valentino. And the reason why I say that is because it just lays flatter at the top. You don't have the line of demarcation, and you don't have that thickness around the hairline that you did on Valentino. Now this one costs a little bit more than Valentino, but that's because you're getting the lace all the way across, whereas of Valentino there was no lace to cut off. And I got this from So Good BB for, it was $32.99, I think, $32.90 or $32.99, but there was a 15% discount. So whatever that is minus 15% is what this costs. And very beautiful color with this golden blonde. Is that what it's called? Yeah, and it's a number 2 up here at the top with the face framing golden blonde, and it is a 5-inch part, just like Valentino has a 5-inch part. So let's brush it, and you do get some wispy hairs. There's no ear tab, so we can probably adjust this. Let's see. Make it a right side part. Yeah, we can. You can move it to the right, and I'm sure you can move it to the left. So that's a plus. But you can do that with Valentino, but your ear tabs are gonna move. So this is the length, and it's about the same length as Valentino. I'm gonna say 20 inches. And here's all the hair to the back. So that's about 20 inches because it doesn't come to my waist, it comes to my bra strap. So very beautiful unit. I am going to put some hair fetish in the part, and I might utilize the wispy hairs, I may not, we'll see. So yeah, you guys, I think this is very pretty and it's very similar to Valentino, but I do think I like the curls on Valentino better. But I got very little shedding. I got maybe 2 strands of shedding and not tangling, you know. But like I said in my previous video of Valentino, I keep my curls clumped together so I don't get a whole lot of tangling with Valentino. I'm not sure about how this one is going to be. I haven't had it on for very long at all, but she is so pretty. I just really like it. So good job, Bobby Boss. So we're gonna put on our sunnies. So, like always, please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button down below. Like, comment, and share. Let me know what you think about Yulia. Do you think she's a close dupe or similar to Valentino? Let me know which one you like the best. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.